Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2019 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. This all-wheel drive SUV is powered by a 2-liter H4 engine paired to a 7-speed CVT transmission that can get you just 7 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have this great retractable cargo cover, which when retracted reveals lots of storage space, including this nice rubberized mat. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows, the Harmon Kardon premium sound system. On the dash is your blind spot awareness. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio info, as well as adaptive cruise control and heated steering wheel. This vehicle currently has 40,579 kilometers. You have additional information and your clock up top on the dash, a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, your automatic climate controls, gear select, heated steering wheel, X mode. You also have black leather seats with orange stitching, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. As for the back of the interior, you have 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center seat. There's also a seat pocket in the back of the front passenger seat, and you have a great view of the sun and moon roof. If you'd like to see this 2019 Subaru Crosstrek Limited in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.